Hey guys, Garrett the RPM Diecast, and today we have a Nissan Skyline R34 from Fast and Furious. Now, I'm surprised I don't have this one, but it is a premium. Here's the set it comes with: the Skyline, the Supra. But yeah, let's get this cracked open because I do not have it, and I'm actually shocked I don't. But let's get it cracked open. Sorry, someone came in, but now I will crack it open. I grabbed a knife because this is so nice. So nice. Now obviously I'm going to go pop this on the spinner and get some close-up pictures and whatever with the display, but so nice. I'll go grab the main line and just show you what kind of like what the main line looks like. Now obviously these are somewhat different, but here is the main line and here is the premium I just opened. Let me get it focused. God, these are just nice in general, but I actually don't have a regular premium R34 Skyline. I got the Silhouettes, I got the Gran Turismo, I got the Liberty Walks. I don't have just a base R34 Skyline by itself. But yeah, let's go pop this on the spinner, do some close-ups, and then we'll be back after. That was the Nissan R34 Skyline from Fast and Furious. Now, one thing I kind of wish is they would have done something with the license plate. Again, super small, super picky. Nobody really gives a shit, but there's nothing. It looks like it's missing paint, actually, or like there was something on it and it fell off, or I'm not sure, but detailed taillights, detailed headlights. Just a gorgeous paint job, gorgeous casting, just in general. Just comparing them side by side. Obviously you get more detail with the premium, but yeah. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. Remember to put down your favorite casting down below to get entered in to the giveaway for the R34 Skyline, Mainline, and the Super T Hunt. Thank you so much for watching, and keep on collecting.